Anna Duggar has faced backlash for smirking at her disgraced husband after they left court despite his CP case. The Countdown On stars were spotted for the first time since his arrest as they left his court hearing. Anna was seen smirking at her husband Josh as they walked from the courtroom. The reality stars shared a sly smile as they greeted the press outside the building. Fans reshared the clip to Reddit as they roasted the couple as disgusting and creepy. The adoring gaze, even when your husband is on trial for CSA images, one wrote alongside the screenshot. What the heck, he's such a creep, I hope he rots in prison, another sketched. A third roasted, what the hell on those smiles, at least try to look like you give a shit about any of this, and I just lost any benefit of the doubt I had left for her, this is disgusting. I hope they both rot in hell, another put simply, while final reasons. I don't understand what image they're trying to convey with the smiling. Either you have committed a horrible crime and the right look would be repentant, or you have been falsely accused of a horrible crime and is that really something to smile about? Either way, looking like you think it's some kind of a joke is a bad look, the user explained. Josh and Anna Duggar were pictured for the first time since his April arrest for several counts of child media files. The father of 6 and his spouse appeared in Arkansas court on Monday for a hearing regarding a series of motions, including his request to dismiss the case entirely. However, the son exclusively revealed earlier this week that the judge denied his request to throw out the case. Josh's attorneys first filed a motion to dismiss the case because the government allegedly failed to preserve potentially exculpatory evidence, which is evidence favorable to a defendant that could exonerate him of the crime. Court papers claimed certain other people had access to Josh's used car lot, a wholesale motor car's wireless internet. Though law enforcement searched for the witnesses' devices, they allegedly failed to preserve any evidence obtained during these searches. Josh's motion to have photos of his hands and feet be suppressed in court was also denied. His lawyers claimed authorities did not have a warrant which authorized the taking of the photographs and that they were taken without his representation present. The 3 images in question were snapped on April 29, 2021, when the TLC star was taken into custody. Josh's attorneys called it egregious that Josh's body parts were manipulated and he was required to pose for the photographs. His team called the pictures an intrusion on his personal rights and asked they be removed from evidence. However, this request was also denied. Josh Duggar, the oldest child of Jim, Bob, and Michelle, was arrested and charged with possessing and receiving child-explicit media this past spring. The TV personality pleaded not guilty to the 2 child media counts and has requested that the court postpone his July trial date in or after February 2022. The trial has been reset to November 30th and has the potential to last until December 3rd.
That's it for now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to stay tuned.